Hi, my name is Kim Bender, and I'm the Executive Director of the Healthcare Foundation Northern Sonoma County. A year ago next week, we launched the Emergency Healthcare Fund, and today we are announcing an additional $100,000, bringing the total since the beginning of the pandemic to $245,000 distributed in emergency fund. The purpose of the emergency fund is to provide local, grassroots, frontline organizations support for providing these services, access to healthcare, mental health, and food to our most underserved community members. We listen to the community, and these are the most dire needs for relief aligned with our mission. Before I announce the recipients, I'd like to thank our generous healthcare heroes, donors, and sponsors who have provided unrestricted money to us over the last 12 months so that we could do our job of researching, vetting, and distributing these funds to the worthy organizations. We could not do this without your help. I'd also like to thank all 23 of the applicants for these funds, who are all doing very impressive work. This is our first ever responsive grant application process. We received requests for $305,000 for the $100,000 in available funds this cycle, indicating the immense need. A panel of 7 reviewed the applications, consisting of board members and community members. They vetted them, they researched them, and they made tough decisions. Ultimately, we decided to make 10 awards in the amounts of $5,000 to $15,000. The 2021 Emergency Healthcare Fund recipients are La Familia Sana, Latino Service Providers, Farm to Pantry, Farm to Fight Hunger, Food for Thought, Alliance Medical Center, Alexander Valley Healthcare, Reach for Home, YWCA Sonoma County, and Corazon Healdsburg. All of these organizations reported a big spike in demand for their services at the same time as they had a drop in volunteers, resulting in a tremendous burden on staff and other resources. These are general operating grants, meaning organizations can use these funds for their most urgent needs without restrictions, enabling them to be flexible in these very dynamic times. These grants also represent the Healthcare Foundation's commitment to health and vaccine equity. It's been a long year since we launched the Emergency Fund in March of 2020. Until the majority of our region is fully vaccinated and businesses and schools have reopened, it's all hands on deck. For more information about the Emergency Healthcare Fund, a description of these grantees, and how to donate, please visit healthcarefoundation.net. Thank you again for all your support.